quick how-to on using the Tesco Safety Disconnect device, better known as the Widget. The Widget only works with service disconnect type meters, such as this one marked with the SD. There is also an older style with this red label. For this demonstration, we will use a meter in our test station. Make sure the meter is an SD type meter. Put the widget directly over the test eye of the meter. It should fit very nicely into position. When the widget is in position, you may press a command. When the command is complete, you will hear a click. The meter will display the command when the command has been completed. Now we will reverse the command. The command is complete, and that is our demonstration on operating the widget. Be safe, and thanks for watching.